Hey, how you doing today? Today we're doing this video to show you a few enhancements that we've come up with over the last couple weeks. This new enhancement that we're doing will be coming out in the next week or so, and we'll let you know when it actually launches. But what we've done is we're going to be talking about the Act V26 calendar. When Act came out with the version 26, it updated the calendar. Did it not a bad job, but we wanted to enhance it to the next level. So we did an update. Now, if you've got ActView Plus or the advisor or sales rep, those add-ons, you'll get this in the next update in the next week or so. And if you've got what is it called? Day Manager, had to think about that for a sec. If you've got Day Manager, there's going to be an update for that as well with some more enhancements, which I'll show you. So, what we continue to do is we try to enhance the ACT experience for all of you, and hopefully that if you've got any of these add-ons, you're going to get this. If you don't have any of these add-ons, you'll be kind of stuck with the new modern layout that Act has come out with, which is not bad. But have a look now and let's show you what we've done and see what you think on this. Let's go to the next screen. All right, here we are. And as always, this is a demo database, and I'm going to just walk you through some of the changes that we've made. So, over on the calendar, we're going to jump over to the calendar here, and you'll see right away it looks and feels a little bit different. You've got in here rounded corners now, it's got a new modern style. In the new version of the ACT calendar in version 26, they actually took out this priority bar on the left hand side. And we kind of disagreed with that. We think that what they did is when you change the color of priority, so if you went into an activity and changed the priority to something else, let me grab one here that, there we go. And you change the priority level to a different one, it would actually just change the color of the text. And not a bad idea, but we kind of liked the traditional bar. And if we looked at other calendars like Microsoft and Google and the Apple calendars, they all have a status bar on the left hand side. So we thought we'd keep that. So you've got this nice rounded corners, and then when you click on it, it actually will put a bounding box around that, knowing that you're actually on that particular one. So if I choose this one, it'll do it in red. Whatever the color is that you've selected for the priority will actually show the same bounding bar on that. So that's kind of nice. The other thing we've got, like if you want to move an activity to a different location, maybe it was a tentative activity, you always had to kind of get this little crosshair thing. Now you just click into it anywhere. Once you've got the bounding box around it, you can just click and drag and pop it wherever you want, and it'll just drop right into where you want to put it. And in this case, I've got it set up for 15-minute increments, so I can just drag it to wherever I want and drop it in. So it makes it a lot easier to actually move the activity around. So those are the enhancements that we did specifically for the ActView Plus, the advisor, and the sales rep. Now, if you've got Day Manager, you get some extra stuff. So, for an example, you'll see this one here is a crosshatch across the bar on the left hand side, and it's got a dotted line around it. That means it's tentative. So when you go into the Act Calendar, you'll have this tentative box here, and then when you check it off, it'll actually put tentative around there. So you know that that's not a fixed activity at this point. And then once it is a fixed activity, you can turn it off. Now, again, I'm working with the beta version of this, and you can see that it's unchecked here. So we got a few little tweaks to do, and that's why it'll be another couple of weeks before it's all done. But you get the idea that when you select a tentative, it will actually put this little bounding box, and it just makes it a lot easier for you to be able to see what stuff is fixed activities and what stuff is not fixed activities. The other thing that we've had, you can see in this one here, we have travel time. We've always had the travel time, so that's nothing new. But what we did add in here is this little slider. And I love this slider here because what it does, and this is brand new, it allows you to zoom in or zoom out of your calendar. So with the new Act Calendar, it actually was quite a bit smaller, and so we thought, hey, let's do some sizing with this. So you can size this, zoom in or zoom out to fit how you want to do it. So in this case, I've gone from 7 a.m. to 3 o'clock. Now, if I take the slider and move it, I can get kind of right into there. We go. I've got from 7 to 5:30. So you can kind of zoom in and out, kind of fit it to your needs. And if you're visually challenged, maybe you want to have it zoomed right in, so that it makes it a little bit nicer for you to view. So you can kind of choose where you want that for yourself. The other thing we've done is when we made this change with the new Act version 26 calendar, they had changed some stuff and we weren't able to in Day Manager to be able to put the user tabs. Well, we've got them back. So now, for those of you who are already on the version 26 Day Manager and haven't had this update, you don't have the tabs. But now you can check on the tabs and you can actually jump over to other people's calendars and be able to see exactly what they've got going on, which in my opinion is a huge thing. I love the tabs. I use them all the time, and this is the way I work. And then again, if you're using Day Manager, you can have different colors for each individual. There's a ton of stuff, and there's a video on Day Manager that you can watch in our YouTube library, and have a look at that and just see if there's anything in there that kind of meets your specific needs. Hopefully this video has helped you to kind of get a appreciation for some of the changes we've made and how it can just make your life a lot easier. I've been beta testing this for about a week now, and I love it. I think it's just fantastic. So have a look, and if you want to try out Day Manager, or if maybe the other templates like ActView Plus, if you just want the basic, but if you want the full meal deal, trial Day Manager out if you haven't trialed it out. And this will be coming out. We'll send an email out shortly in the next week or so, like I said, and let you know when this particular version will launch, and then give it a try, see what you think. Hopefully this has helped. Have yourself a great day. We'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.